Not a close-up. What's up, teasers? It's your boy, Feed Me, Don't Tease Me. Back at it again with something different. How to get abs. I got Luffy walk around in the back. Like, it's kind of weird being naked. I'm not naked, I'm wearing a hat, but that's okay. Luffy's like walking around, like touching my back and shit with his fur. It's kind of weird. Like, Luffy, come on. Like, just sit right here. How do you get abs? Well, you eat protein and you eat it naked. That's how you get the best abs ever. Just kidding. But what do I have before us? We have some wingdings, chicken zingers, a chicken thigh, and a little bit of plant life, some vegetables right there, some peppers, green beans, broccoli, a little mix with some carrots. You know, you're going to have a good time because you get abs by having a well-rounded diet. I got my meat, I got my vegetables. Normally I'd have like a carb or a starch or something in there, but not this time. Oh, and I got my handy dandy, lovely cat Luffy. Right, Luffy? Let's, nope. That's yours. That's yours. He only wants me for the food. It's weird being used. He gives me lovies though. Right, Luffy? Right? Yeah, that's about it. But yeah, so we're gonna have a good meal. Protein is one key factor in helping anybody to build muscle, or even abs for that matter in this case, right? If you saw that thumbnail, thank you. If you like those abs, guess what? I don't have them now. But that's okay. There's a nice little, we'll call it a COVID layer of happy fluffiness, right? Because I've definitely gained like 8 pounds since then. But that's all right. It's not fully COVID's fault. It's mostly my fault. But COVID did make me lazy. The wingdings are good. They're supposed to be spicy. Bought them from the local store, Jewel Osco in Chicago. They're so good though. I had a lot of hardship in trying to make this video. I recorded the other day, yesterday. Recorded in full HD, 60 frames per second. And my camera, like, I recorded for maybe like 17 minutes or so. It just copped out. Like, I thought the battery died, so I changed the battery, but I think after speaking with a few friends that it may have overheated. Oh, shit. Before I forget, the friend is Eric. I got a collab with Eric Lau ASMR. My bad, Eric. I'm all over the place right now. But I recorded 2 prior videos prior to this one. One with just chicken and my close-up style. And then one yesterday, same as this, naked. And my camera just busted. So it overheated because I recorded in 60 frames per second, which is like full HD and the best quality or whatever. And I'm pretty salty because that was like a 20-minute plus video. Well, the recording stopped around like 17 or so, and I swapped batteries and recorded just fine, but I guess the camera was still hot. Like, I've never experienced a foul. I've experienced my camera turning off during recording, and usually it's the battery. So I swapped batteries, and the last like recording that was in there, it's saved, it's still there. I thought that would be the case. Swap batteries, popped in, hit record, finished my food, came back hours later in the evening to do my editing. Only the last portion of the video. So I had this plate of just bones because I ate all the chicken already. Everything was gone, so it was very, very devastating to discover at like 11 p.m. to midnight, and then trying to like download a bunch of different file managers to try to like open the file, because it's saved in like a .dat. Never heard of .dat. Like period .dat is the file type, which means it's just corrupted. Which super devastating. But here we are, eating more chicken and more vegetables. Yeah, yesterday's chicken was a peri peri, so an Indian style, super spicy chicken. Really good. Great for building those muscles, because it was grilled. This one's fried. That's okay. It's all about diet, right? Or depends on how you view diet. Like if you view diet as a change, a temporary change to your eating habits, then you might be viewing diet the wrong way. Diet for me is just like the constant eating habit. And so my constant eating habit is like, I used to say 80-20. It's probably more like 70-30 or 60-40. That's 60 or 70 being pescatarian and vegetarian. So I eat a lot of fruit, a lot of vegetables, and a ton of fish. In my freezer right now, I have catfish, swai, tilapia, and salmon. And then usually there's some tuna chunk steaks in there as well. But that other like 20 to now 40% fried goodness, cake, ice cream, those mochi, the ice cream I like, the little balls of rice dough goodness with ice cream inside. That rounds out that other like 30 to 40%. Oh, I didn't even show y'all the close-up of the chicken, did I? So good. It's 9 a.m. and I'm eating fried chicken for breakfast. It's crazy. But it's so good though. Like the vegetables are pretty good. These are just veggies I bought in like a big bulk bag from like Sam's Club, Costco. Just peppers. And all that good stuff. It's so good. I literally just fed this dude, and he's all up in my mix. Greedy cat. Wonder where you get that from. Probably from me. Oh, hey, come here. So greasy. I was saying something about balanced meals, right? Balanced eating. Yeah. So I'm like 60 to 70% pescatarian, primarily fish-based meals. If you've watched any of my like Monday streams or my random Sunday streams, you've seen me eating fish. Any other time, it's just goodness, whether it's ice cream, barbecue, noodles and pasta, seafood. Well, seafood is still pescatarian. Oh, that was juicy. You spray you too? My bad, bro. Lots of fruits, lots of vegetables, I have a smoothie like every damn day for breakfast, except for today because we're eating chicken. And that's all right. It's okay to have like a little bit of deviation. Except for when you want ice cream. I'm all about eating a lot of ice cream, period. Oh man, and we know I like it saucy, right? I got some Nando's Peri Peri lemon herb, extra mild. Got a little bit of Nando's extra hot, 2 times hot. Which one do you like? You a fan of the spice or that mild and nice? Which ones do you like? I'm gonna do a little bit of both. Excuse me. Oh, come on now. I don't want to pour too much because it has a big opening. Oh, there it is. There it is. Yep. Luffy, chill out. Oh, yeah, all right. Yeah, I like that a lot. I feel like I might save that 5 for later. Like, I'm not full, but this is way heavier than my average breakfast of just a smoothie. And I still want to work out earlier. Well, actually, Luffy, man. He's like all over the place right now. Luffy, come here. He's like in my lap. I don't appreciate that right now. That's too close. Feels weird. Oh, spicy time. Look at that. Oh. Yes. Oh yeah, look at that beauty. Have y'all had Nando's yet? Let me know in the comments below. That shit good. Like their sauces are, I mean, their chicken is good, but I don't think they do fried. It's always grilled. Or at least I've only had the grilled chicken. And it's really good. In terms of health factor, it could be healthier than this chicken. That's fried, but it depends on what you consider healthy or not, because that kind of sauce is going to be super salty. Welcome back, Luffy. Hello. These last few carrots. This is definitely how you get abs. Eating protein, eating your vegetables. Not like 1,000 sit-ups a day and shit like that. I mean, not gonna help, but good eating. Excuse me. Here, Luffy. I'm gonna save that for a snack for later. And water. Definitely hydrate. That's usually all I drink. kilo. Really good for the body and the soul. Oh yeah. Hold that thought. I'm forgetting one important piece. One important piece of mushy goodness. This probably deserves a close-up, right? This has been Feed Me Don't Tease Me in collaboration with Eric Lau ASMR.